So today's lesson is for all of you out there with a Nespresso coffee machine who would like to know how to descale it and restore it back to new. I have a Krups U Milk machine, but the descaling function is broadly the same across all other machines. Nespresso advise to run the descale function at least once a year, and you can order their descaling kit directly from their website, and they're not that expensive actually. Inside the box you'll find 2 descaling solutions, so you'll have one spare for next year. The first thing to do is to prepare the machine by removing and emptying the capsule container and drip tray. Fill the water container with 500 ml of water from the tap, followed by 1 sachet of the descaling solution. Place a container under the outlet, ready to collect the water. To enter the descaling mode, press and hold all 3 buttons for 2 seconds until you hear a beep. Slide open the capsule cover and press the 3 buttons again to hear a second beep. All 3 lights will flash, signifying that the descaling function is active. Closing the capsule cover will start the process. Once all the water has run through, pour it back into the water container and press any button once to restart the process. The descaling solution will run through twice in total. Empty the descaling solution down the sink and refill with clean tap water. Again, press any button once to start the rinse. Once all the water has cycled through, press all 3 buttons again. The final beep will signify that the descaling function has been finished. And there you have it, your Nespresso machine is fully cleaned and good as new. If this video helped you out, could you please help me out and like and subscribe? Thanks very much.